AU Village in Cantonments, Accra, is an exclusive residential enclave primarily designed to accommodate diplomats, expatriates, and high-ranking officials. The name AU reflects its origin in housing members associated with the African Union and other international organizations. Situated in Cantonments, one of Accra's most prestigious and serene neighborhoods, the village offers proximity to key landmarks such as the US Embassy, the Kotoka International Airport, and Labone, a vibrant area for dining and entertainment. The residential units in AU Village are often high-end, featuring modern designs with a focus on comfort and security. Many homes include lush gardens, spacious layouts, and quality finishes. Being a diplomatic enclave, the village has robust security measures ensuring the safety and privacy of its residents. Residents enjoy access to well-maintained infrastructure such as paved roads, reliable utilities, and sometimes recreational facilities like gyms, swimming pools, and green spaces. The village fosters a cosmopolitan atmosphere due to its diverse population of international residents. AU Village stands out as a symbol of luxury, exclusivity, and strategic convenience, making it one of the most sought-after residential areas in Accra.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.